Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to withdraw USDC from your Phantom wallet to Uphold in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or a seasoned pro, this process is simpler than you might think, and it's a great way to manage your stablecoins more effectively. USDC is a popular stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it ideal for transfers without wild price swings. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this confidently and securely. First things first, make sure you have the Phantom Wallet app installed on your device and that you're logged in. Phantom is a user-friendly wallet especially for Solana-based assets, but it works great for USDC too. Open the app and head to your wallet dashboard. You'll see a list of your assets. Locate USDC in that list. Once you've selected USDC, look for the Send or Withdraw option. This is usually a button or icon that looks like an arrow pointing out. Before you proceed, double-check that you have enough USDC in your wallet to cover the transaction fees, as these can vary based on network congestion in 2025. Next, you'll need your Uphold wallet address. Open the Uphold app or website, go to your USDC wallet, and copy the deposit address. It's crucial to get this right. Paste it carefully into the Phantom wallet send screen to avoid any errors. Enter the amount of USDC you want to withdraw, review all the details, and hit confirm. You'll be prompted to approve the transaction with your wallet's security features, like a PIN or biometrics. After confirmation, the transfer should process quickly, often within minutes, depending on the blockchain network. Once it's done, head back to Uphold to verify that your USDC has arrived. If you run into any issues, like delays or errors, check the transaction status on a blockchain explorer and ensure both wallets are updated to the latest versions for 2025 compatibility. And there you have it. That's how you withdraw USDC from Phantom to Uphold. Always prioritize security by using hardware wallets for larger amounts and staying vigilant against scams. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.